Hello my lovelies, welcome back again to Debzies Delight.
Today we're making something very simple. I'll keep it very short, and it is nothing but this spicy green sauce,
which goes so well with some yam, with some eba, just name it. Let's get straight into it. You need very simple ingredients. I've got here some spring onions which have been washed nicely, some ginger, some habanero pepper, some onions, and also some green bell pepper. Of course, not forgetting our garlic. Please note that all the ingredients have been washed very well. All you need to do is to chop it and get it ready for blending. I will list the complete ingredients while we go on, but please know that I always leave the quantities of ingredients in the comment section, so please do check it out, okay? This green chili sauce is very simple to make. If you have heard of the Ghanaian shito and you find it too daunting to do, this could substitute it. Chopping is done, so I'll transfer everything to my blender and get it ready for blending. I used habanero pepper, which is very hot, and so if you're using habanero pepper, please reduce the quantity, or you can make it as how you can tolerate your spice, okay? I'll also add some rosemary and some black peppercorns, blend it to make space for the rest of the ingredients, which I'm going to add now. In goes the ginger, the garlic, and I'll blend everything until it is smooth. I don't make it too smooth as I like my green chili sauce to be very chunky. Now into a pot, add some sunflower oil and toss in your blended ingredients. I told you this recipe is very simple and extremely straightforward. If you're still here, thank you so much for staying. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. After about 10 minutes of frying under medium-low heat, I'll give it a good stir and continue to season with some bay leaves, some shrimp cube, and my favorite sauce, which is some fish sauce, of course some clove powder, and of course some salt to taste. Give it a good stir, partially cover it and allow it to cook for an extra 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will toss in some coconut oil, which adds so much flavor. Stir it, allow it to fry for an extra 1 to 5 minutes, and our green chili sauce is ready. You can see that the juices have dried out beautifully and it's simply ready. This is so delicious, pairs so well with some yam, some rice, some gari, so many things, just name it. It's always up to you. Once it cools off, store it in an airtight container in a fridge for up to 1 month and up to 6 months in the freezer. Please be kind to like, comment and share.
Thank you so much for watching. If you've been trying this, please leave in the comment section. I will be trying this. You know, I'm no longer single. My baby's in the background, but hey, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please be kind to subscribe, as well as hit on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be instantly notified. Until I see you in the next one, remember that I love you all, but God loves you the most. Bye!